Today we're taking a look at the $350 Hermes band from Apple. This is the Torsade Single Tour band. This is the navy color. And I asked you if you wanted to see an unboxing of this band or not. And most of you were like, yes, we want to see what this band looks like in real life. And I understand you're not watching it in real life, but Apple's imaging of bands sometimes just doesn't match what it actually looks like. Let's go ahead and open up this band. First off, we got two pull tabs. So we're gonna go right here, take that one off, and now let's get this one over here. Alrighty, now we're gonna turn it around and open it up. Now, I've never opened up a Hermes band before other than the one that came with the watch, and it was kind of in that. If you want to see me unbox the Hermes watch from Apple, I got a video, I'll link it down below. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, that's interesting. So this comes in like a cloth-ish. Yeah, I think that's still cloth. Like, I mean, it feels pretty nice. The box itself, there's nothing else in there, so we're gonna move that off to the side. So this is different than any other Apple Watch band that I've done before. So, okay, that's weird. So it looks like we got the paperwork up in this top half. Designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris.
In Paris.
Paris.
And what else do we have here? So pretty straightforward, just tells you how to put the band on the Apple Watch, but still interesting nonetheless, just how all this works. Looks like they keep everything separated. So if you take a look, there's like a little separator. Okay. And, oh, I don't know what I think about this band already, but here it is close up. This is a much darker look. I mean, it's not awful, like it's not crazy darker, but it is definitely darker than what Apple kind of portrays it on their website. And it's got this woven, like I don't even know what this is, but it has definitely some depth to it. You can see it's got some thickness to it, I guess I should say. Very interesting look for a watch band. I really don't think this is my style. Now the connectors and everything are like the ones that Apple made many years ago. So I like seeing that. They're definitely got some weight to them. So this is like a stainless steel connector. And then you can see on the little buckle part itself, it does say Hermes right in there. That's cool to see as well. Obviously, if I get enough light on it, maybe it will look a little bit brighter. But overall, like, I mean, it's a navy. It's definitely navy. It's not that brighter color that it kind of shows on the website. This is definitely a darker navy, so you can kind of even just see it with the blue background that I chose. Like, that is a darker color. Just for reference, so this is a black sport band, so you can kind of compare the two right there. That might help you see that it's navy and not black. So let's go ahead and get it on the watch and just see how it all connects. The top goes right in there. Bottom goes right there. So I already had like a kind of navy watch face going on. If you take a look, it looks pretty good on the watch, you know. It's not awful. I mean, I just don't know about this whatever design that they chose for this is. So you can just kind of loop this through right here and just kind of loop these through. You can see it just works like any other normal watch band. You have one that moves, one that doesn't, and there you have it. That is it to this band. So I'm curious, is this something that you like? Is this a band that you see yourself that you would wear? Do you think it is worth $350 for this? Honestly, I don't. Like, I really, really don't. This is one of those bands that personally I would probably pay $50 for, maybe $75. I just never see myself wearing a band like this, so I'm actually still gonna try to sell it. just open boxed item, you know? So if you're interested, maybe reach out. Maybe it'll still be available, but hopefully it won't be, because I'm gonna go ahead and list it as soon as this video is done. Now, I love the watch itself. The watch itself is amazing. The Hermes watch faces are great. I love the silver of the watch, and obviously this has that silver look to the lugs themselves, so it matches perfectly on the watch. But this fabric, this look, I mean, it looks kind of messy. It does have, like I noticed, it does have a little tag right here that says Hermes Paris, made in France. So that's kind of cool. And obviously that name alone makes this band worth a lot more money. Overall, I mean, it's definitely unique. I've not seen a band like this before. This kind of woven and then also layered. Like, I don't know what's really in there. It's kind of soft, but there's definitely something that they've kind of, I don't think it's all just fabric. Like, I mean, probably is, but like, I don't know. It's very, very weird. I'm not sure about this one. This one's, what do you think? I seriously want to know. What do you think about this band? Is this one that you'd really consider buying if it was cheaper? Like, how much do you think it's worth? There you have it. Here's the band one last time so you can get one more look at it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. God bless.